How to celebrate the upcoming festive season with solar panel system at home. As the festive season approaches, why not light up your home in a sustainable way? Let's dive into 5 fantastic ways to blend festivity and eco-friendliness. Outdoor solar lights. First up, adorn your home with solar-powered outdoor lights. These not only create a magical atmosphere, but also run on clean energy, reducing your carbon footprint. Decorate with solar-powered ornaments. Next, consider solar-powered ornaments for your indoor decor. From sparkling fairy lights to festive figurines, these can be powered by the sun, making your celebrations both joyful and sustainable. Cooking with solar. Consider solar cooking for your festive meals. Solar ovens are a fantastic way to prepare delicious dishes while harnessing the power of the sun. No celebration is complete without music. Opt for solar-powered speakers to keep the party going. They charge during the day and keep the beats alive at night. Embrace sustainable gift wrapping with recycled materials and add a solar-powered gadget as a thoughtful, eco-friendly present. Make your holidays both merry and green. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative.